What's good, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. For those who are new, my name is Elijah, and today we got Chainsaw Man, episode 3. And I've said it before, and I'm gonna keep saying it again. What's Denji? That's his name? Oh, he's an idiot. He's an idiot. It is kind of hard to fault him because he knew nothing, because all he's been doing is learn how to be like a demon hunter since, I believe, what was it? Who died? His dad died? And he's selling his organs and all that. So I'm like, okay. But at the same time, I just feel like if he knows what it's like to be manipulated, he has to. That's why he was in anger trying to chainsaw everybody. Then he should know what it looks like, wouldn't you think? And I'm concerned about him because I don't believe he's dumb. I think he's aware. It's just the fact that he's receiving what he wants, so whatever happens after that, he doesn't care. And that's where I'm kind of like annoyed with him in a bit. But anywho, we saw a little bit of power, and apparently we about to find out some more, given this apparently light stop walk crosswalk light right here covered in blood. So without further ado, we're just gonna get right into it. Now me, yeah. Really? Blood manipulation? Dead Man Wonderland? Yeah. Buns? Y'all gonna stay on this one little panel for me? This man looking at boobs, yeah? You're not serious. To get to, oh my gosh, these people, yeah, because you want to be a dog to the girl? No. Where are we going with it? Oh no. Wow. He's an idiot. He's really an idiot. Oh man. This man. He's being legit too, which is hilarious. His heart is literally in him. Like, I don't know how to understand. Okay. Wow, she really refers to him as a dog. Silence, okay. He was in the room? Yeah, we animating her sipping a cup. You mean tell me she couldn't find somebody to assign her to go here this whole time? That's what you're telling me? You lied? What? That's crazy. Now, how did he miss that whole hook with this sharp object and she botted him? How? Are you serious right now? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, Denji. We really gotta see him get eaten? Oh my gosh. You gotta be kidding me. Oh my gosh. Denji. Denji. Let it rip. So I don't know what he's gonna do about power, but he actually held this cat captive. Are you serious? You're not serious. Yeah? So you fed this cat to eat the cat? You mean so you couldn't beat this wounded guy? And you just gonna let this man... Oh my gosh. Power. Power. Just like that? Well, time to go and put in work, my guy. Is that him on the leg? Gargle a... Yeah. And a... Wow. Oh, this idiot. That is very disgusting. There we go. Oh. My guy, but she set you up though. Like, don't forget that. There we go. Yeah? Oh, wait. I see how this is going. Big behind. Boosh. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I knew. I know. And cop me a feel. You just punched him with a chainsaw? How did that work? Oh, okay. I'm truly amazed he knows how to dodge with chainsaw, his arms, and a head. Woof, okay. Animation. Yeet. Oh, you know how to disable them? Oh, wait, you didn't even know you can do that. Wait. Oh, it's Poochie. Oh, wow. Ew, what are you doing? Okay. His fingers. All right, run it up, my guy. Hey, let him know. I love the soundtrack. Run it up. There we go. Nice. Oh man, that was so nice, yo. That was a good episode. That was nice. Oh man. Denji. Talk to me nice. But don't talk to me at all. Hold on, I didn't even realize this was still on. Hold on 1 second. Oh, 1 second, y'all. I didn't even realize it was on me. Come on. Go ahead, Denji. Let him know. Run it up. Thank you. He's still dumb. That's not changing. This man's still talking about grabbing some chest. Know what I mean? He still is. He still is. I'm kind of like, all right, my guy. Doing all this still after the betrayal and everything's like, I understand how she feels. I'm glad you have that level of empathy for her. At the same time, she tried to kill you. Oh, not try to kill you, get you killed. Know what I mean? I don't believe she's dead. She looks like a main character, obviously given the opening. It'd be crazy if she just dies right here. Now the cat, however, it might be dead. I don't know about that one. All you gotta do is chainsaw that gut. Know what I mean? I'm glad his senses came in, and it's also showing that what's Poochie, one of the two, is still in there. Because he was surprised when that car came at him. He caught it. He was like, wait, why did the chainsaws retract? So I believe Poochie is still alive in there. It just allows him to use the powers that Poochie's giving him. That's about it. But other than that, Poochie would be like, hey, I don't want that to happen. Know what I mean? So that's pretty cool. I wonder if he can grow stronger now. Because what the weird part is that they talk about the blood, right? And he says it's like when he first did the chainsaws, he was confused at the fact that, like, well, not confused, he just almost passed out when he went on a date or got the food from the homegirl, Makima, whatever her name is. And he was like, dang, I lost too much blood. But here we see him drinking blood. So he needs blood, but he's getting it from the devils. And I'm like, okay. I wonder what will happen if he gets it from a human. In addition to that, what will happen if how much does he need to feel more powerful? I guess I would say. And I think his powers can grow from here, given the premise of the more blood you get, the stronger, or you can heal whatever happens. So I think he can get a lot more stronger. So I'm curious to see how far he can go with his abilities. But that's enough for me. Let me know what y'all think in the comment section down below. This man needs a lot of help. That being said, until we meet again, y'all stay safe and be blessed. Peace.